Welcome to the Midwest Telecom tutorial on how to add music on hold and on-hold messages to your business phone system. Adding music on hold and messages on hold has several benefits. This feature allows you to reduce the number of hang-ups, communicate your brand message, and educate customers about your products and services. To start, head on over to the Midwest Telecom portal and log into your account. On the main menu to the left, click System, then click Music on Hold. To use the default hold music, click on the Edit icon. Toggle the status button to On, then click Save. To upload a custom sound file, click Add Record. Type the clip name, upload your file, select the class from the drop-down box, toggle the status button to On, then click Save. To make a playlist, upload multiple sound files to the same class. To add a new class, click the Classes tab, then click Add MOH class. Type the class name, add a music streaming URL if you'd like, toggle the status button to On, choose whether you'd like the sound files to play alphabetically or randomly, then click Save. Add classes for promotions, seasons, or any other special grouping you would like. Now add or edit a sound file to assign it to the preferred class, then click Save. Toggle any class or sound file on or off as you prefer. There you have it, how to add music on hold and on-hold messages to your business phone system. Still need help? Give us a call or send an email. We're here for you. And thanks for choosing Midwest Telecom for your business communication needs.